Good morning, students. Today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 36 chromosomal disorder, and today's topic is sickle cell anemia. Once again, today's topic is sickle cell anemia. So sickle cell anemia. First of all, anemia, it means deficiency of blood. Cell, it means RBC, and it means RBC become sickle shape. The simple means of sickle cell anemia. First, anemia, it means deficiency of blood. Cell, it means RBC, normal humans RBC. Once again, mostly human RBC is biconcave, but in this disease RBC become sickle type. Students, remember, sickle is a agriculture instrument, a small agriculture instrument. Once again, anemia, it means deficiency of blood. Cell, it means RBC. Normally RBC is biconcave, but in this disease RBC become sickle type. Next is, it is a genetic disease or hereditary abnormality. Once again, sickle cell anemia is a genetic disease or hereditary abnormality. Second, it is a autosomal disorder, autosomal recessive disorder. Once again, it is a autosomal recessive disorder, and a region of in this disease is, it is due to mutation in an autosomal gene, because recessive gene located in autosomes. Next, RBC, it means red blood corpuscles, have hemoglobin. Students, remember, hemoglobin, it means ferrous. This is protein. It means hemoglobin is conjoined protein. It means non-protein part, protein part. If protein and non-protein part properly binded, this protein is called conjoined protein. So hemoglobin is a conjoined protein. Second, hemoglobin to provide color to blood, it means it is a pigment. Next, hemoglobin to carry oxygen, it means hemoglobin is a respiratory pigment, and it is conjoined protein. It means a single unit of protein is amino acid. So RBC have hemoglobin to have two chains. First is alpha chain, second is beta chain. Next, in beta chain, sixth amino acid. Once again, RBC to have hemoglobin. It means RBC full to hemoglobin. Hemoglobin to have two chains, like first alpha chain, second beta chain. Students, remember, it is respiratory pigment. It is conjoined protein. It means single unit of protein is amino acids. It means alpha chain and beta chains to have many or several amino acids. In beta chain, sixth amino acid, glutamic acid being substitute once again, substitute, it means replace, substitute by valine. Students, remember, glutamic acid is amino acid, valine is amino acid. Normally humans to have glutamic acid in beta chains of sixth amino acid, but in this disease glutamic acid replaced by valine, so RBC become sickle type. So RBC become sickle type. In this, the RBC change their normal shape. Students, remember, RBC normal shape is biconcave into distorted sickle type or sickle shape. Once again, beta chain to have sixth amino acid in glutamic acid being replaced by valine. In this RBC change the normal shape, it means biconcave, into change in sickle shape. Next, when both parent heterozygous forms to transfer this disease generation to generation. Once again, sickle cell is a hereditary or genetic disease, but this disease only transfer generation to generation if both parents, it means father and mother, are heterozygous. So first is normal homozygous. Second is heterozygous. Third is homozygous. but this type progeny are died after birth. So first, parent second. If parent first is male, parent second is female. To take heterozygous forms, it means HbA, HbS. S it means sickle type, HbA, HbS. Next is meiosis. So formation of gamete. First is HbA, second is HbS, third is HbA, next is HbS. Next is development or formation of progeny. HbA, HbS. If they are male, so they are female, it means HbA, HbS, HbA, it means normal homozygous, HbA, HbS, it means heterozygous, it is a carrier person, it is a carrier progeny. Next, second HbA, HbS, heterozygous, it is a carrier progeny. And last is HbS, this progeny died after birth. This is homozygous. So person with two defected gene 2, it means HbS is two defected gene. Homozygous recessive could not remain alive. Once again, person with two defected gene, it means HbS, homozygous recessive could not remain alive. So phenotype is 2:1, 1, 2, 3, only 3 progeny, 2 are equal. It means phenotype is 2:1. According to Mendel's, ratio is 3:1. In this ratio, all of you study in lethal gene. Second, specific region of sickle cell anemia. First, normal. Second, sickle cell anemia. Students, first, DNA of normal person. Students, remembers DNA is double stranded in 6th amino acid, 6th positions. In sickle type, normal human's DNA in 6th position is GAG, and another strand to have CTC. When this segment mutate, so G proper binded to C. Next process is transcription. It means formation of RNA from DNA, it means RNA. So GAG, C, opposite nitrogen base is G opposite T, A, C opposite G. Second, C opposite G, A opposite U in RNA, uracil, and C, G. This codon to code glutamic acid, this codon code to valine amino acid. They are amino acids. Next, so this type person's RBC is biconcave RBC, and this person is healthy person. And in this, it means by mutation, 6th amino acid become replaced by valine, so RBC become sickle type. This type is sickle type. So sickle RBC, sickle red blood corpuscles, and this person is suffering with sickle cell anemia. Once again, students, normal humans, second sickle cell anemia persons, first DNA of normal, DNA of sickle cell anemia. DNA is a double standard, so a specific segment of DNA is GAG, opposite GCAT. Second sickle cell anemia, when this specific segment mutate and form in this form, so next process is transcription. Transcription, it means formation of RNA from DNA, which process is called transcription. All of you studied in class 11th. RNA is mostly RNA is single strand RNA, so single strand. DNA 1 2, it means double standard. C opposite G, A opposite T opposite A, C opposite G, C opposite G, A opposite in DNA T, but in RNA U, uracil, C, G. This codon code to glutamic acid, this codon code to valine amino acid, so RBC become biconcave, it means healthy persons. Second is RBC become change sickle RBC, so this person suffering with sickle cell anemia. So thanks. Next day we start another topic, phenylketonuria. So thanks, have a nice